Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Sayujyam the Art Zone. I hope you have seen my previous two videos on design drawing. If not, then you will get the links in the I button and in the description box below. You may please watch them. In today's video, we will see how to start practicing design drawing. To begin with, we will make small patterns. As such, this will be your imagination that you can bring on the paper. But I would like to share few important points. You may choose the designs that have some geometrical shapes or with curves. Just keep in mind that you do not lift your hand while making a pattern. Do not bother about the shape and just draw. It will come out very well with some practice. This technique will not only enhance the flow of your hand but will also give you an idea to use the drawing space properly. I am showing here some designs as examples. You may try out many such designs as per your imagination. I have darkened these designs and this is how it will look like. That's all from me in this video. Please do like and share this video if you found it useful. Also, those who are not subscribed, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. I will come up with more on design drawing in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, take care and bye-bye.